Hello! It happens sometimes that you need to record a call or a part of a call because you need to share it with someone else later on, or just because you don't have a pen and you can't write down some important information. So I will show you how you can record a call from collaboration. So here is our call. Now, the easiest way to record this call is to use this record button. And when we press it, it turns red, which tells us that the recording has started. And we will also hear the sound. Let's do it. Okay, the button turned red, we heard the sound. This means that the recording is running right now. To stop the recording, we should press the button again. And we will hear the sound again, and the button will turn back dark gray. Okay, that's it. Now, you might be curious how you can access this recording later on, how you can download it. The easiest way is from your call history, actually. Here is our call, and here is the file, which we can play back and download here. And you will also receive the recording via email if the email is configured in your account settings. And right now I want to show you one more way to record the call, which is valid not only for collaboration but for any Wildex device. So you can actually use the feature code, which is *1 to start or stop call recording from collaboration. And to do it, we need to open DTMF. And as I said, dial *1. And the recording button will turn red again, and we will hear the sound, which will tell us that the recording has started. Okay, like this. And to stop it, we can dial *1 again. Thanks for watching and see you next time.